Hey everyone, welcome back to another unboxing. Today I'm unboxing something I've been really excited to get my hands on, the new Anycubic Photon Mono 4, the SLA 3D printer. Let's dive in and see what's inside the box. First up, we got the printer itself, securely packaged as you can see. Let's pull it out and take a closer look. This is the hood with a build platform inside. I will take a closer look at that later. And here is the resin tray. I will set that aside for now and come back to it in a bit. Now let's move on to the accessories box. First we've got the quality check confirmation. Inside the zip satchel we've got the safety gloves and a plastic spatula, which is handy for removing things from FEP film in the resin tray or for steering the resin while it's still in the tray. There is also a set of Allen keys for any adjustments you might need to make. There is another satchel with a face masks and paper filters. They are good for pouring resin back into the bottle while keeping things clean. And of course a metal spatula for removing prints from the build platform. There are also two knobs for securing the resin tray to the printer body and a USB stick for loading your prints. There is also a power brick to power the printer. The design is a little different from its predecessor, the Anycubic Photon Mono 4K. Next up is the build platform. You can see it's got a laser etched surface which helps with the print adhesion, but I have never had any problems with bad adhesion with the Anycubic Photon Mono 4K. It also used the same 4-point leveling system as the Anycubic Photon Mono 4K, which makes leveling easy. I'll show you how to level the build plate in another video. The hood is gray and not as transparent as the one on the Photon Mono 4K. Now I'm gonna release these 4 screws so we can attach the build platform to the printer. It's a simple process and the platform slides right into place. It looks like there is a protective film covering the holes at the bottom of the resin tray, so I will put it back in the bubble wrap and handle that later. Alright, with everything unboxed, let's pop the hood back on the printer. That's the unboxing of Anycubic Photon Mono 4. I will be making another video soon where I will go through the first setup and calibration, so stay tuned for that.